Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at Algorand, and I would be showing you some very awesome thing on the chart right here for Algorand. So make sure you sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, so we are looking at Algorand right here, currently still ranked at 47 with a market cap of about 709. Right, we have a 24-hour volume of about $24 million, and today we would be looking at the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Algo. Right, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So yesterday I was telling you that we high likelihood could see one last huge drop right here for Algorand, and I would be giving you another reason why we probably should be expecting another drop right there for Algorand before we see a huge push to the upside. And it's nothing but the DXY, right? And you have heard of the DXY. The DXY simply means the US dollars index, and as you can see, the DXY has been on a huge bullish trend for the past few months, right? And as you can see, algo and most altcoins has been on a downtrend, and it's basically that when we see the DXY pushing to the upside, it means a lot of people are running to dollars, right? And so we see a lot of altcoins push to the downside, and so currently, as you can see, the DXY is giving us some sort of topping structure. As you can see, we have had this double top, right? We are probably pushing for another triple top right here. So we could still see the DXY push right there to the 105 dollars level, and then see some sort of reversal, which means we could see algo have just one more push to the downside right there. We could see that push to the downside. We could see algo have something like this, and then see that push to the upside. So that is what we're expecting. One last drop right there for Algorand to the 0.07 level, where we are gonna accumulate even more huge positions in Algorand before we see that push to the upside. Mind you, we have been saying we were getting rejected right here by the 55 EMA, and we said so far we were still below this 55 EMA right there for below the 200 and below the 55 EMA. We were saying Algorand was still bearish, and as you can see, we have been pushing to the downside. So one more push right there to this 0.06970 level before we see another huge bounce right there for Algorand, right? So that is the premise of the video for yesterday, right? That we are going to see one last huge drop, right, before we see the bullish continuation to the upside right there for Algorand. So basically, that's the analysis right there for Algorand. The drop is going to happen. As you can see, the DXY is going for one last push before we see that push to the downside right there for the DXY, meaning we could see one last drop right here for Algorand before we see that push to the upside. So basically, that is the analysis for Algorand for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.